Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the Valley plate that Lokar had sent me as part of the DOD cam replacement thing that I'm going to be doing under the intake manifold. Take the heads off, all of that stuff. But the Valley plate is what I'm going to be doing, and I want to show you that. And here's the Valley plate right here. It's quite the work of art and a well constructed quality piece that Lokar has sent me. So far, I'm pleased with the way it's made, and it's from an LS1 actually. So we're going to be putting that in today. All right. And so it begins. I took the whole front end off. Get ready to take the front of the engine off. All the accessories. Alright, I'm going to take the Valley plate out of here. There's one in the back. Gonna slow me down. Something I can't get to. Damn. Damn, Sam. Get this last bolt out of here. Let's see if we can pop this thing. Easy peasy, apparently. I wonder if we got a clearance issue here. Let's see. No. And out it comes. And these are all the DOD oil solenoids that basically mess up the whole operation, which is why I'm eliminating it. I'm going to put on a smooth Valley plate and eliminate all of this. I've seen some guys on YouTube grind all of this stuff off and put it back on. I guess it makes sense if you're on a budget. Yeah. That's what it looks like inside. You can barely see the cam down the bottom there. But what you can see on an LS is you can't see lifters, which you would normally be able to see in a small block. Yeah. Oh, and all of these little holes at the top here, I will be putting plugs in there to close them off so that they have no oil starvation. So yeah, and I got to find a new location for my oil pressure switch because the new Valley plate eliminates that. So it's just a smooth cover and no bung in the back for the oil pressure. This is the Valley plate that goes on in place of the other one. It's baffled underneath, so yeah, and it's got a little O-ring supposed to seal off those holes at the top. There's the bung for the PCV system. Yeah, it's a beautiful unit that Lokar provided for me, and it'll be going on at the end of this project when I get to that point.
The only thing I didn't seal off of was the oil port, the oil pressure sensor port in the back. I did not put a plug in there. I'm relying on the Valley plate O-rings to seal off that. And this is a view of the bottom of the Valley plate, the new Lokar Valley plate. As you can see, it's got O-rings there for all 8 of those oil ports, as well as a O-ring around the back. And this is the oil port here. Debating whether I should put some sealant on there. It's the only one I haven't completely sealed off. But we'll cross that path when we get to it, which might be now. Okay. And over here we have the new Lokar Valley plate that I just put in. As you can see, it's held down by about 10 different screws over here. And unlike putting the intake manifold down where I snapped off one of the bolts inside the cylinder head, in Lokar, if you're watching this video, I did not have a disaster moment with these. Everything was good here, and it's a beautiful piece. Lokar did well with this. And thank you for providing this beautiful piece of aluminum for me. And that's it. I have been back at it. As you can see, I put on the intake manifold. The valve covers have been put on. Those nice chrome Lokar valve covers. Beautiful. Okay, I forgot to film an outro for this video, so I am putting a voiceover in here. I want to thank you all for watching, and I would also like to thank Lokar for providing the Valley plate for this particular project. And I welcome you to comment about this video, or any of my other videos for that matter. And that'll be it. Thank you, and later.